After the devastating attacks of September 11, 2001, the U.S. government responded with sweeping changes to its intelligence operations. The Patriot Act granted the FBI and CIA unprecedented powers, sparking debates about security and civil liberties. What changed, and at what cost? Past just 6 weeks after the tragic events of 9/11, the USA Patriot Act, short for Uniting and Strengthening America by Providing Appropriate Tools Required to Intercept and Obstruct Terrorism, aimed to prevent future terrorist attacks by significantly expanding the powers of federal agencies, including the FBI and CIA. For the FBI and CIA, the act broke down long-standing barriers between intelligence gathering and law enforcement, enabling broader and more comprehensive surveillance of phone calls, emails, and financial transactions. This increased capability was intended to detect and prevent potential threats before they could materialize, ensuring national security. The Patriot Act allowed the FBI to use roving wiretaps, monitoring suspects across multiple devices, making it easier to track their communications without needing a new warrant for each device. Additionally, the FBI could issue national security letters demanding personal information without a court order, which raised significant privacy concerns among civil liberties groups. Meanwhile, the CIA gained expanded authority to operate domestically, a move that was unprecedented and controversial. This shift blurred the lines between foreign and domestic intelligence, leading to debates about the appropriate scope of CIA activities within the United States. Section 215 of the Act, which allowed bulk collection of phone and internet data, became a focal point of criticism from privacy advocates. This section was heavily criticized for its potential to infringe on individual privacy rights, raising fears of mass surveillance and the erosion of civil liberties in the name of national security. While the Patriot Act was hailed for preventing terror attacks and enhancing national security, it sparked significant backlash over privacy violations and civil liberties concerns. Critics argued that it gave the government too much power, with limited oversight and transparency. In 2015, parts of the Patriot Act, including the controversial Section 215, were curtailed under the USA Freedom Act, aiming to restore some privacy protections. Yet, the balance between national security and individual privacy remains a hotly debated issue, with ongoing discussions and legislative efforts to find a middle ground. The Patriot Act reshaped how the FBI and CIA operate, redefining the balance between security and civil liberties. What do you think? Has it gone too far, or is it necessary for safety? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to emgotv1 for more deep dives into history and power.